Anlin window systems. Every window and door is custom made for each opening, and Anlin windows are built and designed in California for the California environment. Anlin Panoramic horizontal sliders come standard with 2 cam locks for added security and peace of mind. In fact, Anlin windows tested the safest window in the industry by exceeding California's tough forced entry regulations. Low E3 and neat, easy clean glass come standard with every Anlin panoramic window. And every Anlin panoramic window comes with argon gas and triple fin weather stripping, making Anlin windows the most energy efficient vinyl dual pane window on the market. This window is shown with one of Anlin's 12 Thermocoat exterior colors. Anlin windows are backed by a true double lifetime warranty with accidental glass breakage. When you're in the market for window replacement needs, please call us or come visit our showroom. We'd love to help you with your project.